guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Otoshebo Mama page. You can also see me on Otoshebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Thing now I want take it. If I take it, that thing, Kate go come and say, lovely, you talk truth. I wish I see person will tell me this is all this way. I for not just the Kate, oh dear. Then I will say she get her husband leave for us go out. Yeah, this woman we do hook up, you know, come we hook up. Yeah, he just come dey Facebook, because they make parapata, they jump for pillar to pole, go with ball. Now I come to say, this woman, how we go take arrange marriage for her? She's crying. That not only that, no Louis the day na which marriage na ain't be waiting. They chop a day now wish can't reach today. She never enter altar. They never bless any marriage for her. She never married since when she don't owe like this. She's dying in silence. Yeah, Mona try. Yeah, I beg, live video presenter. Mona still try. Make this woman still go husband house. Yeah, make she still go husband house. Yeah, she not go husband house. She's dying in silence. This woman go Nigeria. I'm going to put your number. Oh, I should put my number. My phone, I don't see my phone for there. The phone, when I not do live video for 5 months, I not can remember the code again. It did there. Now to go carry another phone. I want to carry another phone. This one, when I think they do live, then I'll use this one. Put number now. They call him. Go they laugh. Quack. You they read book. You don't see ya. I hear my person, Sharon. You see? And the day now which is just they die. All the old live video present, all of them don't marry, finish. The one when they marry before they enter live video, we know they use husband till they shout. People when they don't marry, divorce, they don't even care about husband, they gay. People wey don't marry divorce now, so we they look man like say I bet wetin that they use they do now wahala na they be they now which need to go to husband house. This man and this woman now don't reach, and I think he never do 55 years birthday. This woman will come reach 60 years before now come marry and una too even stage himself. All those men when this kabu men when they cook soup for, they cook egusi for. All those kabu men. So una no fit marry Okpaika for us. Una wicked shot. Yeah, una call that una they say if you they change boyfriend. If you they change boyfriend, na lie. Na they na wish na change boyfriend pass if you they learn for where they na wish day. If you they learn for where they na wish day, you know how many men as old as they na wish, you know how many men don't come for cancer when they do this live video. You know how many men? And this men when they follow all those Ishan men. Everyone here need down like be. Una too staging. This woman go market. You go sleep for work. If you come back for work, you go use and enter Pakistan market. All the old meat when Pakistan want to, we go pack all of them. Use and take cook for una. Una go the man when you go carry come out as husband today. Tomorrow not be the same man you go carry come out. Next tomorrow not be the same man. Every year to year before year go runs out, they don't carry different men come out, and those men that they fuck am. I don't know whether in Nyash no good though, whether na they run for how. I don't know. This men. Wa arrive ni only where mama me we big bo a o shan gbo ni oyo ge nya wa arrive ni eni pa ki wa che so won wo won do so won fi o me pan put soup for pan be yin ma buy ma ino ke san no mu no eni pe no mu no na o baba saboro edede na wuchi owuwa una still jin sha ibi ababa ye won awowo o no ja nínú ri o we lo wa po yo a ri wi so do wa po si Okpaika we lori Say person no dey husband house, I use God take beg una make I kneel down, make una help us clean and comot for Okpaika eye. Every day by day, every day by day, every day by day. Lolo can't do marriage that day. That one they don't fair pay that one bride price. She can't do white wedding. When busy everybody they do, then she put ring. Okpaika can't reach today. Okpaika was if Okpaika they say honey for the ring, honey for the ring. I don't know what they talk to for his house. Now spirit way they pass. Now you they talk to and they na witch. Are you talking to spirit? How can a person go there inside house? He go they say honey, honey, nobody dead there. Also, sorry, Veni, okay, honey, 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 don't leave for. Well, this is shaman when they this man now they will come, they go chop a goosey soup, chop okra soup, chop nyama food when she they cook. No one agree put you for house. Why? Why did you okay, we don't washa? Well, shall you not say Ishaman? I know fit to blame them. If woman too fat sometimes, Ishaman not they carry. Because if you see some Ishan women, no say we won't come for those states, we not too much big like that. We may fege. You know, just see woman when go just big like they did now winch the back of the leg. Ya delone everywhere made doro. Back of leg made doro. If you raise the leg up, you go make gigi. One way, I have shadore rigi Okpaika wo boy. Ibo kesan neri veni. Okay, since Ibo kesan no fit puri for your hand. Okay, most switch go bini me. Most switch go bini me na. My personal person, you don't laugh. Most switch go bini me. This woman she go cook. Oh, what they do live video? Who do live video? Say who she they cook for? She go cook. Now the men when they come they ask saloyo na she they cook for. How can one person go there house if he cook pot go full? It be like person when you get family for house. Even person when you get 5 boys with your husband with your wife, they know they cook soup like that. Even women when you get children for house, they know they cook soup like that. Okay, son. Okpaika is crying. The cry Okpaika is crying is itching us in our ears. She need husband. For all the live video presenter, it's only Okpaika that never wear ring. She want to wear that ring. Oh, how we want to do this one now? How we want to do this one? Yeah? How we want to do this one? See, this person, the Dominion Talk Show. As the Dominion Talk Show still ugly rich. One small boy come marry and put for house. Now I made Dominion Talk Show. Now if you dey Facebook, who know insult you go dey insult, who know insult. As Dominion Talk Show teeth roti rich for inside mouth, man, see carry Dominion Talk Show, put on for house. Now we see say okay, Dominion Talk Show still thank God say the man look your teeth before he put you for house. If not the husband when he go marry, see Dominion Talk Show, no matter how he go be, Dominion Talk Show never married before. He never married before, and God can't do her. He can't give her whether they call her IK. He with IK now. There's something they do live video. They come all those one. They then on which they look. No, those one they then on which they look. Dominion Talk Show marry. Esther Talk Show marry. Monica Talk Show marry. Lovely Talk Show marry. Lolo Talk Show marry. Rita Talk Show marry. Kate Talk Show marry. All of them. But they don't Talk Show he marry. Audio presenter, all of them marry. Mama Gladys Talk Show marry. Mama Joy Talk Show marry. Iyere Tute Talk Show marry. Everybody marry. Even if say some called divorce for inside, but they still touch husband house. If man sleep, you know say husband. If he follow you sleep, if he day break, wait till want to wake you up. Na prick. The prick will come touch you. If the prick they raise, he go they raise. You say, well, what Jerry? We don't wake up now, prick. If man wake up now, true pick now, you go tell no, you go don't use and take touch you. And the then I wish never experience and for life. She need it. He will say, "Someone when I go, me don't look me na dark barrier, me that don't look me viva." I use this time to come and beg una. You people should please help this woman out. She's dying. There is no man in this woman's life. There is no boyfriend. Even there is no spirit husband. But this man, she will be inside house, be saying, honey, give me charger. Honey, give me this. At the end of the day, we not go see charger. We not go see honey. Honey, ramele moi. Honey, give me water. At the end of the day, we not go see honey. We not go see water. Yeah. Now, me just day here. I think now 70 something 9 day here. Now, if I dey go page, one contact to Kate, me na follow me come page. Now there now we will go scatter. She don't cry. She come Facebook. She that he come out. She do birthday. Now the kabu. Ishame when they do kabu for London. If you reach London, Benin they do kabu. Ishame they do kabu. He come out. He say he don't buy car. He carry kabu man. Key car come. Key car. Shaking. Come reach today. They don't see Okpaika see bicycle wheel. We don't see on top of bicycle talk like say car. That one go. Later he come out. If they say they buy house. As he move from one room one day, he go rent another room. She come tell us say she don't buy house. Okay. Now only waiting you know go fit a lie for this life. Now be marriage. Oh, marriage. You know fit fake marriage. You know fit fake marriage. Lie. Everything is fake for where Okpaika dey. But this marriage, you know fit fake. She no fit fake this marriage. She no fit fake marriage. She foresee fake this marriage. Oh, my page. Okay, now this is cooking with the barrister. She foresee no only marriage. You can never fake marriage. Marriage, they know they fake her. If whether they put it for her, they know they fake her. If not, this woman for don't see fake her. She fake. She buy car. She fake, she get house for Nigeria. She fake, she get 4 children. She fake, at the end of the day, they can't say that one pikin now she get. She fake, she buy house. She fake all those things. But this marriage of 18, Okpaika no fit fake. This is reality. You can never fake marriage. Even if say the marriage not go last, now one day, you must date that altar, they go put in for your hand. People go there, their friends go there. But she no fit fake this marriage now. How is Okpaika go fit fake this marriage? Okpaika don't fake marriage. Where is he ring for my hand? This woman head come dey blow. Where she see ring when he dey hand? Where she see ring when he dey hand? Okay, I don't marry. You see all those people when all my colleague when they Facebook. All those my colleague when they come marry now, so when they marry before, I first all of them marry. She dey ask say where she for see ring, she carry ring for her. She come one make her explain. Maybe the 5 months when I take comot say I go marry. Now she go dey think, say she can like to know that particular thing when you dey do. They dey now wish she must want to know how that thing take home. I just go beg una. Isha men when it be say okay, thank you my personal person faith. Isha men we the Edo State people, we don't tire for Okpaika. I marry. I just go beg una. Make una try. No be only egusi soup. No be this woman go dey cook for now with okra when they pack tomatoes, you pack the tomatoes put. No be only soup. This woman go dey cook for now. Make una still try. Why any try? But mona come wash these tears of marriage. When Okpaika no do, mona come wash and come for Okpaika eye. Make she for happy. Make she let us rest. We will be say we marry. We will be say we still our ring is at a lot. Now so he say mona come see where the gun went lolo well. Mona come see where the gun went lolo well. Come reach today. We don't see Okpaika. Okay, nowhere where the gun. Choose jeans to jeans. Go marry. If you want go do marriage for Koto, for Komuo, for this yo. If na rag now you want wear go there. Father no go ask you say wait till you wear come. So far you no need naked come. Only waiting father will do your ring, your husband ring. He go bless him before he go tell na say me una wear am. No be so. Bako, esenu, and then I wish no they let. We dey hear word for Facebook again. Bini o Isha. Now don't see for Facebook or if I call Ora now, it go be like say I dey draw Ora put for saga when they not dey. Or if I call out China, it go be like say I dey draw out chipu for saga. Bini and Isha. Now we dey do live video. I use God beg una. I use Heavenly Father beg una. Bini me, Isha me. Biko nu. I beg you. We for say me Igbo man come na Igbo man go say anu manu. They not get wetin that they use this woman to do. Igbo man no go carry. I for say make I run this woman. Give one Igbo man and the Igbo man go dey help am. The Igbo man will say no. His leg be like this thing motor when Papa Uche take dey pound taba. Igbo man no go carry. Okay, Benin me o, where una dey? Una sister just dey waste away from say that they do marriage. If they say okay, she carry belle when she dey 12 years, I don't know. She just carry bad luck for her life. Okay, but say okay, that 12 years now. Some people will carry belle for 12 years. That they carry they go husband house. They will say you must pay the bride price. You go papa house, they'll pay bride price. This one they don't pay bride price. From that 12 years, when you can't take carry belle now, can't reach this time. This woman is 45 years now. 55 years, I'll be 56 years. This woman just use almost 45 years. Take this single with nothing. This woman never married for a life. This woman never married for a life. She's begging. If she need this marriage, I just got to beg now. Because no. Isha people wa seni or akiwo nyonde potopoto ni va lefo wa akiwo lofo wa mufia. It not good now. Anybody when you want to learn how they take the fuck a day nyash. Una what they call it the day na wish. Una what they call it the day na wish. I don't understand. This woman, she go there Facebook. No honey for side. She just dey shout, honey. You know, say if man with woman dey inside house, now no matter how, since when they do live video all the time, they will see the shadow. See our sister that day, Rita is me genya away ye my me ovie Nigeria ni eko ya gwa lo yo ma we onwe Rita na go marry Zimbabwe man. You know see ya. That Zimbabwe man now go marry and if that one now if you do it as I dey talk in matana you go say lovely see how I marry you. Not talk to me like that oh I marry you. Okpaika now. You know see who marry ya. You go just dey come honey give me water at the end of the day we no see hand wey give water. He when go say honey give me water at the end of the day she go get up for where she sit down push she go carry water. My people house where husband and wife dey na one room. How can husband and wife dey one room for Europe? One room, now husband and wife go there. No matter how say, even if say the Nigeria person say, you know, conceive still film make can serve. You go see as he get document, you go see carry apartment, you go get city room, you go get parlor, you go whether you go get city room, get parlor, go get bedroom, then you go rent one out. They go they see husband. They know they see husband. I get this woman, so okay, since you know see husband, go buy pussy cat. Use and take do marriage. All the time, honey, I laugh. Now me with the person when he sent and come for me, say, mama, say, he laugh tire. I say, now player, my husband leave the phone they ring go. The second of the phone, now they ring go. He can't say your husband leave phone for house. They laugh, my royal laugh. He say husband leave for and I say come for the ring go. And when she call life finish, she will say, he go say, okay, Betty Soto. That when I go. Beneath me, I just go back. Now this woman don't go all the old dance, almost all the old musician when they come for Nigeria. The one when Okpaika never go no day. See yet, una no dey looky eye, no na see looky eye, no na see pity na Mariana. Bini me, I use God beg una. What we marry una sister, Isha me, I beg. You go follow una rich party. If una use and dance finish, una go throw win. You know they carry take away go house. Nothing. They na win. Where dog wa no door. Enter house. I don't tell you say enter house. Go and find husband. When you carry husband come, who want donate for you? Even me self. When they flog you say tomorrow not day, I can still even say okay, no worry. I feel even say, brother, you want marry her? You no get money for wedding ring. You go say no. I can tell my fans, and we go donate for you. May we help you. May you not come to disgrace us again. This marriage of issue, they just not take they disturb us. Person go wake up say me enter Facebook. The day na which they find husband. I marry. This stupid woman. She go Nigeria. She dey sleep for dirty bed. My people, person wey dey husband house, he bed go dirty reach like that. A married woman bed go dirty reach like that. Okpaika take sleep. Since Okpaika don't take this Facebook, Okpaika never go Nigeria, and I don't go Nigeria reach 4 times. We don't know where Okpaika where for Mario. We don't know your husband family. My people, person when he marry, when they pay bride price, when if person marry, the day when they go, if family will tell her say bye bye. She say she marry, she go Nigeria, she go the Robbie body for that restaurant when in mama day. How she take marry like that? If some women when they marry for Nigeria, when they marry for abroad, if they go Nigeria, then they go their husband mama house. If they read their husband mama, if now 1 week, they stay with their husband mama for 1 week, then their husband mama will follow the con house. He go say, yes, I don't stay with my husband mama for his house. Then my husband mama now follow me con house. They did not wish or not day like that. All the time, Mario. Lolo when he married last year, Lolo don't even forget say he married again. If he na rig, now Lolo come they remember say, I married. She when person when married don't forget married. She did put the marriage for a memory card. Please, Edo people, Ishan. This one sister mona help her out. If they come they follow now they dance. If this person they come now, they come now, Okpaika, it don't read there. Even they say the musician they say, hello Charles, hello Charles, hello Charles, hello Chance. That musician don't they talk hello. Waya wabohian. Hello, chance. Give chance. Hello, Chance. Hello, Jazz. Hello, Chance. Before you know, the day now which don't come out. Musician never start to this woman don't start to they dance. Musician never even say ding dun dun. Okpaika don't come out. She don't flush herself. Don't show herself like Nigeria flag. Edo man no carry. Ishan man no carry. Wa when awogo wakoyo wala awoteme avi they know they Okpaika no tell una say una can't give her money. She go cook for una. She ready to dey use the teeth take they cut una nails when they una leg. She need this husband. Fire by force. She need it. You people should help. Obi man, she's suffering. She no be laugh my people. She need this husband. If any man now when he marry Okpaika, bros, una go enjoy am. I use God beg una. Please, she just need them. Make una just what's a way I go away. Oh yeah, love it. Ibu wo kesa. Iwo kesa ki ku we fia o. Ibu wo ibini. Iwo ki bini we nu regbe. Iwo ki bini wala o wa me mi ma wa ko. Iye o. Oswan yugbo. Oh yeah, love it. Ibu wo kesa. Iwo kesa ki ku we fia. Ibe bu iwo kedo we nu regbe. Iwo kedo bini me. Deke nu wa ye. Avi bini man ne mose. Ave dune ku ne mose. Wave ladian. Il vient sans mamou. Wave domu. Waman kamu. Bini. Wave ladian. Tu wa frustrate you nyana. Her daughter. Na bini man na her daughter marry. Wa domi ma Ijebe Wa domi ma Ba ye de marry on Facebook. Odo. Ibare me de me kwalo odo we nefia. Wait. On a coré au routier. Odo Ibare me vibe odo me nu regbe. Okpaika go just want me die. Please. I use God to beg una. Kids. ODL. Wewe la ho, wewe gwa nokpa mune. Wewe gwa nokpa mune. O ware odo. You go just dey shout odo. People wey don't fit chop something throw away, the food no dey hungry there again. People wey don't marry, when they don't divorce, when they no dey man house, man no dey fling them. There ain't na money they want. This woman, she need to test that husband follow person sleep till day break. Oh na eyo wago say aye ogwa yo re no book se be Facebook. We no ye legis se e de no na e de no ye legis. E de kon dey wear legis. Legis when e take hustle for road that year, e be aga legis. Maybe na that one na the be aga legis na make our Benin men no come carry. Na make Ishan men no come carry. Oh, who want come carry? She come say she want come display for Facebook. E use legis come out with a bone shoot. Now bone shoot na they call her that short nika. When small pikin of 15 years they wear. E de na when she wear and come out. E can't shake body, shake. Now we put her for say, you be goat. Bah. Now that this thing I can't carry her. It did my war. Wa was on no number. This woman will just enter grave like that without no ring. Benin me. What they try now? Ishan me. Wa ma ve ya ora wa de wa do mo Okpaika wa rima. Auchi me. You should come and carry this they na winch. As this woman they use chest to take the pack and reach for dance. Or mu. Benin ma go see the breast. Or I nya we meti mona. Na we are fun. If you say if nya o the breast we but na oye seke. E jere seke. Awo hogo owo ja. Okay, I ba akpu na mu fio to for 3 weeks. They now what? No, they advise. No, go they advise. Oh, you want advise? You want to advise us when we be married women? Who never go husband house before they advise who go husband house? This laugh when la wa couple for my man so now one laugh now cause they laugh so. I don't understand. So people, you are wonderful. Benin men, you are wonderful. If you say you are wonderful, chi afe ma o mi na o ki vi gbe wa vere. Una me, una si kona. Bianu. This woman she dey cook well. She dey use stufffish they cook. They use pomo cook. Upon what she go cook the food rich. The dance food when they cook, nobody see accept this woman. Please. Oh, please. Oh, you people who want my Irian. Oh, my people. I beg, I don't tire. I dey pity for her. A woman when marry, they know they shout. You go flash a ring. If in a traditional marriage, I do. You go flash a traditional marriage picture. Amami traditional marriage. Amami mioge komu. Amami mioge tue. Ama mioge court. Ama how many marriage that they see? If na where that they do komu marriage, now you go do komu marriage. If na court marriage, now you want do, you do court marriage. If na white wedding you want do, you do white wedding. If na traditional one you want do, you do traditional one. This 4 wedding when I just talk so, no one with this woman don't do. I don't know that bad man. When he give this woman belly the time when he dey small, that man just kill this woman career. That who be that man when he fuck this woman? Una wa kokao, bena una wa kokao, una wa valo, una wa valo avien. See the day you valor this woman avien, come reach today that this woman is miserable. You know they let us hear what they get. I beg, Okpaika talk all that thing. People when they marry, they don't use husband till they shout. They don't use husband. Monica Lobolobo, that one he married for let that one here. Only me only or they use his husband till they shouty. I marry. That day now, Lolo he married for London. I never hear what they say. Lolo they say he married. Rita that day now, he so free carry Kokobiri go house. He go marry Kokobiri for Nigeria. He come back. I never hear say that one. They say he marry, oh, he marry. That day now, Kate now, he still do marriage. I never hear say Kate. They say my husband. Only waiting Kate they talk. My house, my house, my house, my house, my house. That one now be Kate's national anthem. Aba even marriage work with Facebook. Okay, Dominion talk show. Now Okpaika now he find his husband for him. Thank you Okpaika, my uncle. Thank you. God bless you. Una avec pas me via una be na he Dominion talk show una be yaour una with a husband ne. All of them. People when they marry, Esther Tosho, he marry, he with your husband, they have. Esther Tosho, no, they say, my husband, oh, yeah, so. Me when they here, it don't tell when I marry. My marry now, it don't reach how many decades. I know they say, husband, oh, lovely marry. When she see ring for my hand, this woman can't run to Bataya. She can't run to Bataya. She married. They thought say she married that time. They say she married that time. They thought say she married that time. You now, I will say you married that time now. We know, you know, because they find husband again. I beg, my Edo brothers, Ishan brothers, Lahore, Mona can't help us. Ameno wa bina, walare, wadoguma mwe, we Okpaika. If you do it, when you may not be ya. They will make yo. Ugbori no. I may not be a Okpaika ye. They will make yo. Ugbori no. I may not be a Okpaika ye. Marriage, marriage. How many husbands she don't carry come out for Facebook? How many boyfriends and other this woman they change boyfriend, like who they change pint. Because if you wear pint today, no pint when you wear today, no be you go wear tomorrow. No be the one when you wear tomorrow, no be you go wear next tomorrow. This woman, she's changing mad the way women take they change pints. Then they say, oh, if you the get boyfriend, or if you the get boyfriend, if you the get boyfriend, if you never free reach half of men when don't come fuck Okpaika for Okpaika house. If you they live for where Okpaika day, you know how many men since when this woman enter London. The first one when he carry come out that year when they show people say na his husband. That time when brother die, when he carry come out. Now so he carry the man cause say they show for video. Now the man run. Now be my boyfriend or not be husband though. My sister, not only she I see say she married. If she go Nigeria, she see they go in family house. She supposed to they go in husband house. Even if say her husband, his family, mama die, papa die, he get sister. Even if they go say, oh, I go visit my husband's sister, or I go visit my husband, mama's sister, I go visit my husband and brother, or see my husband, brother, wife for year. Oh, my husband house, he dey for Benin, and I see my husband compound. No. Why would they tell ourselves truth? Why be say all this live video presenter? They go come they show lies. So come they lie. Waiting their body, waiting they don't do. They go come, they will they talk for the matter. This woman, she has no husband. Why are you they fly all the time? Husband. And then now winch. I'm not sure say you go feel marry again. I think it's over. All you will do, pause, just mute. Not talk about husband again. I think maybe when you carry come. So women don't marry. So women they now they be 50-something years. They don't marry reach 4 times. The husband no go work. He go marry again. He no go work. He go marry again. He no go work. Okpaika never even marry one day divorce. Okpaika never marry say he can't dey where they marry church. They'll come to say, who want to make this marriage no hold? Make it come out. Nobody don't ever scatter, say, he scatter a marriage. This woman, I beg, if they go dance every day, we don't check and say, okay, this woman, she's looking for husband. That is why any musician, when he come, even if he say, na Angolo, na the musician from Nigeria carry come, Okpaika must go there. Because she's searching. This woman, now what is she for do? Now she for go dating side. She no want now. You forget Oyibo. You go dating side for London when you date for there. You go dating side. Maybe from there, you fit see Oyibo, you marry Oyibo. If you see marry Oyibo now, they say, okay, you get husband. Eh? You don't see Oyibo marry. You don't see husband marry. She go pack a ring for where they carry ring put for street. Where they say, Kobeva. She pack and put for one, they talk, say, I marry. Okay, bring it, this thing come out. You no fit bring traditional wedding marriage come out. You no fit bring white wedding come out. You no fit bring court wedding come out. Even common court wedding self, you no fit bring. Even this is self say a Baba wedding, you no fit carry it come out. Are you serious? Good evening, my personal person. You no go get husband for yourself. You go just dey shout. Why you dey fool yourself? Everybody know say you no get husband. Everybody know there is no need. It can't be like say you dey disgrace yourself. Igbanke when you for come, all of them now, they cry. I don't call Ishana for call Igbanke now, make Igbanke come carry you. We no see Igbanke man not they do this thing. Okay. Since na inside us when be those things, na inside us na you dey bome. Okay, when we see pity for you, find husband can't give you. I dey beg them. I have begging on behalf of Okpaika. Ladies and gentlemen, please, the way our sister is hunting right now to be somebody's wife is all over the place. And it's written all over her. She need man. Why are you saying that, my husband, you marry you? Who marries you? Nobody marries you. Let's be honest. You are just deceiving yourself. You don't talk this thing now for since when you enter live video. I will say, you kukuma take for live video, say, I don't get husband though. Maybe now, you foresee man. People, he get one man when he call me one certain time. He say, my sister, say, he say, he said that woman, say, it be like Kamo. Nakoto say, I said, yeah, if you like her, bros, no problem. He said, but you with the quarrel. And Nakoto say, bros, no, nothing, if you want money, nothing concern me. He say, no, I don't want me, you can't saga me. And I say, bros, I say, no, I don't feel do that one now. Yeah? Nakoto the man say, yes. It's not the man Nakoto say, but the woman, they talk say, sometimes they say, he marry. Now tell him, say, bros, he no marry. He no marry. He can say, I can say, bros, he no marry. That bro can say, see the singer, say, this woman no marry. Now he can be there interested. Now say, bros, if you need that, later the man say, no, you know, they marry again. Say, he too fat. The man say, she too fat. Now then the man say, why she too fat? The man say, na person like me, now he want. Now then the man say, if you don't kukuma tell me, say, na me you want. You just want bring Okpaika, take a me. He said, no, he said, what did they use that woman do? He said, that one, if he clean and say, she go see the man for a nyash. Now then the man say, oh my God, bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye, sir, say, I don't want gist. He said, no, he said, if he's shit, he said, he be man. He don't date. He said, if he shit, he said, he shit, if he clean, shit go still remain for nyash. I say, bros, he said, he be guy man. I say, he said, you see all those women when he fat. He said, the one when they clean very well, if he shit, he go use water to wash he boom boom. He said, like Okpaika now, say she know they use water because she don't get time for herself. Now say she don't get time for herself. He say, He said the day when she don't say the woman a dirty woman, I say when she come dey pack come on for where she did before. I say, bros, you say now 6-pin bed. Now I can't she say they sleep. That man a very one kind man. He say, my sister say, he says 6-pin bed, whether not 7-pin bed. He said, na woman like that till they sleep. He said, where man want to sleep put? Where man want sleep put? I said, bro, you see, I see everything. They follow us boba to boba now. He said the bedroom when she dey bath, the bedroom come dey red like where red they use red sand water till they bath. Mais make that our mind now. You no go gbito na. If your sister me you no go ni anefo. You agbo we don you so say you carry we di no so. I say, Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah, that one. He said that one no fit baba when they ikbekus na. He say if you just teach that man na vex. He said the man say he dey vex. He said the woman too dey disgrace himself. Now then the man say, you be tell me say you wan marry. He say no dey marry her. He just wan bring the matter come make we gist. You don't see Okpaika. Nobody need you. Go and reduce. Reduce so that maybe you go see man. Reduce. No. You will come Facebook because they say my husband, my husband, my husband, my husband, my husband. All the time, husband. Or everybody wait dey Facebook. No say you no marry. Even he say the person, if they enter Facebook today, he sees you, he know say you are not a married woman. Where are married? I don't tire. Me and they go. I bet enter house. Not they tell us say you marry. You no marry. You they use until they fool yourself. This is how he come in this afternoon. He say, Mama, he say, why this woman she they fool herself with marriage? Say whether now wherever I will marry. Now only you see say they no marry. Say people they don't even want marry again safe. He said, why she always the disgrace herself say, my husband leave food for us. My husband do this one. My husband give me water. My husband give me food. My husband do this one. My husband do this one. Everybody knows say you no marry. Now tell her, say, okay, oh, I will come send the message. Now make me send the message for you. Right now, 24-bit pack people come, pack musician come, pack comedian come. No one you carry. Doba, pack people come, pack musician come, pack comedian come. You don't see anyone when you marry. As this woman they go dance reach since almost 2 years now. This woman don't supposed to get fiancé. This woman don't have fiancé. This woman doesn't have fiancé. You don't get fiancé. All those what they say, if you the friend, if you the friend where now lie, if you the learn for work back a day, if you the learn for work back a day, anybody when you chop Okpaika soup, must see chop the down of Okpaika. Any man can say Okpaika cook soup for her. The day now which the down you go use and take step down. The day now which bekus now it be the small start when they take the step down. If those men eat finish, why the men not they stay? The men not they stay. The men go feel say, yeah, for we are not 12 now. The one who were liking it, you go say, oh, weak man. You don't say, Isha men like a weak man, way. You say, okay, now. I never see Binima for there. I always I see Binima for there. Now, for say Binima like this way, a way with a owo, with a plantain, with a variety. I never see Binima for there. You never carry con. Now, Isha, you go carry some con. Now you go short. This the woman say, my sister say the men when they carry come now small now they take the top pass each other. Now I say how you tell no? He say they watch her now. No, now look am. The man when he said the one when carry come when say tita that one be the white. I say he said the one when he come see carry come when see show his face. He said that one no pass the one when carry come. I say she they change man like who they change this thing. The men no they stay. I beg. Okay, go Nigeria now. If this woman now. She don't even know what she wants. She just frustrated. She just petty here and there. As they go Nigeria now, you will still see man marry for Nigeria. Do marriage for there. Even your enemy for Facebook, they go donate for you. You go reach Nigeria, she they sleep for somebody's apartment. See bed, person where come from Europe. See mattress, see bed spread when she takes sleep for bed. Good 1 month when she spent that be 3 weeks when she spent for village. Now that bed spread 9 day bed, she not change on 1 day. Which man want carry this useless winch? Enter house, you the disgrace, you the disgrace a live video presenter. I don't fit say you the disgrace don't say because now this thing you be with banker. We will be live video presenter. We the shame, we don't the shame of you. Stop talking about husband. Husband. Only where we are, baby. What rude that barry? Rig your work, rewo bonus, say, or what so? Mona ask her where rig. You want to tell people. Because now she they see everything. She put it for her though. Where she can't see ring. Mona ask her which ring he put for her. See this one. I don't put ring for her. Then you that time you dey craze for Milan. When I put wedding ring for her, you dey craze for Milan. You don't decrease, you refia with Milan. Hey, Bona see ring go. Hey, she put ready ring for her. She want use and take draw this. She want fool herself. She want make her come explain how that ring take come. Okay, oh. Now ring this one call they show me for Facebook. So I not be fake person. I be natural, real. If I know they chop, I know they chop. If I know they chest, I know they chest. If they didn't wish, please enter house. You they shame the rest women when they do live video. How many times you don't come say Mama Joy they shout of your husband? You know you tete. You get husband. How many times you don't say Uru you tete they shout your husband, your husband, your husband, your husband. Boyfriend, they know they agree see you see boyfriend. The one when will just come, they'll just do once, they don't work out be that. I beg. If you not the carry mail, if you not the carry mail, if you the lane, if you the lane for work back a day, if you can stay with one man, for a year, like the man when you the friend last year, can't reach this time now. Not be a year and some months, not be if you take follow that Igbo guy, and if you see they follow the Igbo guy now, talk, and then I wish don't change how many boyfriend reach how many times. This woman, she's just a useless okpo. Just a useless okpo. See the way they fool yourself, they disgrace yourself. Everything when they carry come now. They fake everything. They fake house. They fake everything. They fake you buy car. They fake this. They fake that. Now marriage now you no fit fake. You cannot fake marriage. You not fit do fake for marriage. Even if say, you want to person say you want marry, you want use a person say, if I want to marry, I can marry. If I marry finish today, tomorrow I go seek for divorce. Many women go fit do one, but Okpaika no go fit do one. As I did so, if I say I want marry, inside this month, if I marry on the 20th of this month, or the 21, I go seek for divorce. I go feed do one. And the day now which no. My husband live for house. Which man they live for house for abroad? You live your own for house. Where na spirit husband I want to live for house. Now spirit husband now you get. My husband live for house. My husband live for house. When the person just got and come back, he said, yo. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, he laugh. He fall for ground, they laugh, say, he? This woman, they don't wish you were now. Wow. All dirty, husband, no day. Forget. No husband. No woman, no cry. Ikpe vie okokire nye wona gbone dede na wish no get. Omo, ego, odo, Okpaika won. This woman, I don't tire. This what they call tire me. Now come beg those about space. Men wait day, women wait day. No na come marry this man. And whether na man want to call her, she don't use herself to man finish. We could have come marry this and the day na wish. Nothing. Husband. People don't marry husband reach 3 times. Some people now don't marry man reach 3 times. The man, another man go see they spin the woman say, go say, bros, I just divorced last year. You say, You say, you married? You say, yes, I have divorced. Now, you go say, I don't need man again in my life. I've divorced 3 times. The woman will say, really? Seriously? You have married 3 times, divorced 3 times? You say, yes, I've married 3 times, I've divorced 3 times. I'm not interested. Okpaika never divorced one chekele. Say, even chekele, no divorce. No marriage, no divorce. No marriage, they divorce. Who no marry, not the divorce? They say marriage go with divorce. Divorce go with marriage. If you don't marry, there is no divorce. Or what? So you're sorry. Why be say you fool yourself? What you want to say you define husband? We don't say no say you define husband. We don't know say, oh, the day now when she's looking for husband. We know. Not go there fool yourself. My husband live for us. My husband for abroad. There is no man on this brain where you go live for us. For where? Man fit leave car key for us. He go forget car key carry phone. If he don't waka reach outside, if he say make he go say he wait car key. If he go say if phone go dey in hand, car key dey inside house. Tomorrow now, this car key when I talk now, tomorrow now she go say my husband don't leave car key for inside house. Now wait till she go talk. You no get husband. How want to talk this thing? And I don't want let people. I don't want explain to people because people they have already know that the day now which has no husband. Stop deceiving and fooling yourself. You are not fooling people anymore. You are not fooling yourself. At this moment, you are fooling yourself, not people. Then the shame not too much. Say this woman that come from Okpaika, she's crying for her husband every day by day. This woman don't go has reached now 4 times. This woman never even see say Nigeria man self. You see spinner. You go dance. No man they spinner. Go do uki. Sister Rosemary, you know do two uki. Do two uki. So that we were now in 2 years time. So we did me double. Before this years go end. This year go end. Whether you go see husband. Go to uki. Or the nothing when you get. You are just a lonely, foolish woman. I don't want marriage. You want marriage. Because you come at that time because they thought say you be retired prostitute. How can a reasonable human being go come command where you go bath? You go carry your cloth for them and then you leave your cloth put. Don't come Facebook, come they shout. You just come out as this woman called delinquent rich. Adult delinquent. She just speak on air. About 400 people was viewing this woman that very faithful day. May God bless that day. This woman said to the world that she's a retired prostitute. Which man want marry retired prostitute? No man. If the man bros, you will say, now this retired prostitute they married. The man will say, the man will say, bros, why they say that? Retired prostitute. Since I don't grow rich like this, I never see retired prostitute. Now they don't know which now see. He say she call she say she's a retired okpo. Retired agbile. Agbile don't want make coin. Igbeagia no man make a retire. Where retire igbeagia yehin? Retire igbeagia. If man want marry you tomorrow now, even if you go you go where party day now. If man wants to speak you now, they'll say, you say, bros, you don't know. You say, now this woman now should be retired prostitute now. You know they live. Okay, you know they watch live video. You say, hello, you say this woman a retired prostitute. She can't the fool herself. She want to say she want speak English. She don't say the English when she want speak. She want use and take spoil her career. She speak that English use and take spoil her career. Retired prostitute. Are you kidding? People, may I leave United? Then I wish, please. Do you know what you will do? Please mute. Just silent. You no get husband, we know. Your husband don't live for. Man, they live for. The first thing when man they carry now for. Who man you not get man for inside house? Who they live for? Now spirit. Now spirit now live for. Now so you go do. Now spirit now they will come they fuck you. Now spirit they'll just come out. They'll say this woman she they already shout of husband. Let us go and be visiting. They'll come they fuck you the night because you be nightmare self witch. Useless woman. Enter house. Now what? No deko alue. Deko alue. Ono mi okan no regbere yeki. Deko alue. Don't have a banker. Wa do rupe roro ko ran si banker. O she dey disgrace herself. You see go banker where your papa for come. Whether you go see man marry for a banker. See the place when you dey now no one dey ask. I don't beg. Please, Ishan men. Wa we an wo wa do pon no ya na si Okpaika we gbere bini me la wa la o janu wara Okpaika gbe na wa la wa do ku ma pe wa it shall be a domeda chenya wa we an wo one of you should try see government full out there please you both should just manage the advice I'm going to give her now you have to make the go gym. You have to start gym. Only fatty the void bene that maku na or that be restaurant house. When me paka. I beg. If lap way, it be like say if you mold part the down finish, you use your finger take tap like that. Now so body be. Egberebe was sekwa. Olokwo na ki view Facebook. You go sit down, you go they cry. You people should help. Wave lao, wave help. Uwe vete niki. Uwe no wagbin walao. Kia lao he ni. Konji wan finish this woman. Go carry oyibo now. You no go carry oyibo. You no carry oyibo. Go and carry oyibo. Now restaurant, you know see restaurant that time. Now yeah, you even your miss when they use pankane te miss. I know say if you want use restaurant te biwa, they'll use pankane te miss. No say pankane na be this thing grave. When they take they miss this thing now, they'll use pankane te miss. Use and te mold house. Pankane go hold. That's why body be na me chaka 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 chaka. Abemo na airports. My people, where they go? Now bye bye.